out. Ready?
Oh, your dress.
Yeah.
Catch it, girls. Go get it, Sammy. Go get it.
I don't remember where my grandma.
Get it.
Ho-ho. Good stuff, Sadie.
All right.
I'll bring him next week. Lily. You ready?
Good
We
one,
need
Lily.
what?
Ashley? Oh, wait.
Keep it
Go, 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 go.
Whatever your name.
Go get it, Sammy.
Get in, Lily. Get
Get
in
it,
there.
Sammy.
Hannah, get it, girl. Go, Hannah. Keep running.
Go, Sammy. Get it. Go.
All right, guys, find a green friend.
Come on, girls. Go,
Come on, Hannah.
Go. Go, Hannah.
Oh, darn it.
Come on, Sammy.
Green friend. Go get the other line. The other line.
Throw it to the green.
Lily, do you know who you're supposed to throw it to?
Go, 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 Sammy, go! Go, Sammy, go! Woo! All right! Yahoo! Good job, Sammy! All right, Sammy, you don't have to run for Gidget tonight. Good one.
That was beautiful.
That is her first goal, yeah.
Good job, Sammy.
Good job, Sammy. Go get it, Kanan. Good girl, Kanan. Go, Sammy. Go get it. Good girl, Kanan. Take it. Kanan.
Hannah, take it.
Kanan.
Kick it
Go
hard.
kick it, Lily. Yes. All right. She got it out of there. Ooh, it's white. It's ball. Watch the goal. Come on, girls. Go, Hannah.
Good
Go,
job, Hannah. Go.
Go, Hannah. Oh.
Ooh, that was good.
Good job. Good follow-up.
Good job.
Good job. Hannah, throw it.
Come on, Hannah. Sammy, watch that ball. Go get it, Sammy. Go get it, Sammy. Oh, good try.
She was there.
Almost.